Let's make some ramen. Meet the goat of spicy noodles, Buldak Black. Born in South Korea, these noodles are not for the weak. They're infamous for their nuclear-level heat. But here's the twist. They're smokier and richer than the original Buldak. Why? That black sauce packet is a double threat. Chili extract and charcoal-infused flavor. It's like fire but fancy. But today, we're hacking the system. Heavy cream isn't just a cop-out, it's a cheat code. It tames the heat, amps up the richness, and turns this fire-breathing dragon into a creamy, craveable masterpiece. Let's make some ramen. Hollow purple isn't just a cursed technique, it's dinner. This habanero lime combo, domain expansion for your taste buds. It's not spicy, it's spicy and petty. By adding dicey sausages, cheese, and Spam, the taste will be limitless. Habanero's the red, lime's the blue. Together, this is my hollow purple. Save this before Sukuna steals it.
Buldak for Noodle Wars.